Oh my gosh!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natty Homemaker, and today is day 6 of the Pantry Cleanout meals. If you're new to my channel, these videos consist of me rotating products in my pantry, using the stuff that has to be eaten up, things that are open, things that are coming up best before, and making meals with it this month. I'm also going to have small little hauls, grocery hauls, and I'm going to incorporate those into my meals. So we're going to use up some stuff from my pantry today, and this is some panko, some nutritional yeast, and a can of mushroom soup, and leftover nachos. So those are the things from my pantry that I'll be using to make this meal. I also am going to use this broccoli that I picked up in my last grocery haul, along with eggs and this mayo that I got for free from Frugal's a couple weeks back. So let's use it up and make a meal. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to use it up for the casserole. Now, I like bigger chunks, and I like the ends. So I like big pieces. Like that. Make it super yummy. Super, super yummy. Oh, yeah. So this is something easy, and it's cheap. The broccoli cost me $1.20. I think it's $1.25, $1.29. So it doesn't take too long. I think the longest thing is waiting for it in the oven, right? I'm just going to boil this for 5 minutes, just to say that it's cooked a little bit. That way it doesn't have to sit in the oven too long. While we wait for the broccoli to cook, we're going to put this can of mushroom soup in a bowl and make our sauce. So 1 can of mushroom soup. And then we're going to have 1 cup of Miracle Whip. I'm just going to go by eye because my cup is dirty. I'm try to use this up here. There we go. We're going to put 2 eggs in there. Add some black pepper. Magic pepper. Magic pepper. And some salt. Magic salt. Magic salt. I'm also going to add some paprika. So about a teaspoon of paprika. And I'm going to stir it. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of this nutritional yeast. Just a pinch here. Just a pinch. We're going to mix it. Now we gotta wait for the broccoli. But since we're waiting, let's crush these nacho chips. Leftover nacho chips. If you have any other kind of chips, ketchup chips, or all-season chips, not all season, all dressed chips, or salt and vinegar chips, you could do those too. I'm going to crush these as best as I could. And I'm going to use it as my sprinkle on the top. Well, it's not a pantry item, but something that has to be eaten up. I have this tortellini, bag of tortellini. Got this at the discount store a while back. It's open. So it's something that needs to be eaten up, right? So we're just going to put that in there. Just like that. I'm not going to put the whole bag, even though I can. But yeah, I'm not going to put the whole bag in there, but we're going to mix it up. There, just like that. Should I put the whole bag in there? No. So we have a little bit left, guys. I'm going to keep it for another day because I have maybe a soup coming up. So maybe that'd be a nice soup. All right. Gonna mix that up. So I added a cup of water to this. Just to make it a little, well, just to stretch it a little bit, you know? Oh, I was gonna put that in my mouth, but then I thought, oh God, the egg. Now I'm just going to pour it on top. Oh, that looks good. This is probably going to be really good. Probably. I know it's going to be good. This is going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. So now that's done, I've just got another idea. So I opened this pasta this week from the pantry. Put it in a jar, remember? Half of a jar of pasta sauce. So I'm just going to use it up. Going to add about half a cup of water to it. Water's added. Shake it up real good. Make that stretch a little bit better too. We're just making a wonderful meal today. Then just drizzle it all around. All over that pasta. There. Tortellini. That's what it is. Tortellini. There. Make sure we get it all. Okay. Get me a spoon. In there. Make sure it's all covered so it cooks properly. Just like that. Ooh, there's lots in the corner there. It's going to be good, guys. It's going to be great. Look at that. Pantry meals. So that pasta sauce is gone. Mushroom soup is gone. Now we're going to use up the rest of these nacho cheese flavored tortillas. Tortilla chips. We're going to put that on top, right? Just like that. Why not? Why not? Could have had it for snack, but I'm like, nah, there's not enough there for a snack. Just use it as a, a meal. Put it on top of a meal. Make it absolutely delicious. Gives it that extra cheese, Now I could add cheese to this, but I'm not going to. I add cheese to a lot of my meals. But I'm running short on the cheese this week. I have to get it at my next grocery haul. There we go. That bag's done. Finally. I'm going to use a little bit of this nutritional yeast because people say, oh, it tastes, it gives a nutty and a cheese kind of flavor. I'm just going to put a little bit just to say because I'm not too sure about it, right? I tried to make that cheddar macaroni with it one time. Freaking disgusting. And now some panko. Got lots of this panko stuff, so extra crispy. Yeah. Okay. Spread that. I've got a little bit of panko left for another meal. Spread it out, right? And there we go. So I'm going to put that in the oven. I think I'll put a foil on it for 25 minutes, and then I'll take a peek at it. So being a frugal foodie, I follow a lot of people on YouTube. And one of the people I follow is a woman called Jessica Wanders. And she made a recipe recently. It was a Jello carrot salad. Now, I don't have everything I need for this, so I figured I'd switch it up a little bit. But it's about the same idea. So she used orange Jello, pineapple, and carrots and made a salad with it, which looked so good. But I'm going to switch it up because all I have in this pantry clean out is mandarin oranges and strawberry Jello. But I do have some carrots. Some of these carrots need to be eaten up. I have a couple of them in the fridge. I think I have about 3 more left. So I'm just going to take 2 of them today. I'm going to shred them. And we're going to make this carrot salad. Now I'm boiling the water in the background. That is for the Jello. I'm going to try to shred this. I've seen something on TikTok about using one of these. Oh, I can't remember what it was. But anyways, I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I'm just going to shred it into the bowl. Okay, so the carrot is shredded. Let's dump the Jello in the bowl. So this is a strawberry Jello. I think this would be great. I think anything Jello is good. And back in the day, they used to make a lot of things with Jello. A lot of things with vegetables and Jello. I remember I used to see recipe books just based on Jello. Back in the 60s and the 70s. I think it was more the 70s. So 1 cup of hot water. I'm going to stir that. Just until all the crystals dissolve. Okay, so crystals are dissolved. Now I'm going to take the water, the juice from the can, pour it in there because we don't want to overdo it. Oh, so it might just be a full. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to that to make it a full cup of cold water. Okay, I'm using tap water. I say I don't use tap water, but I'm going to do it for this. It's not very much. I don't like drinking tap water, but once in a while on a recipe, okay, I'll use it. So, mandarin oranges, whole can. Carrots, get her done. Just going to mix that up real good. Just like that. Just a couple twirls around there. And then I'm just going to set it in the fridge overnight. And that will be good with a bran muffin this week. And that, folks, is carrot Jello salad. Thank you, Jessica Wanders, for making that video. That was a great idea. I changed it up a little bit, and I'll let you know how good it tastes. Well, after an hour and then a 2-minute broil, it's ready. Tortellini Casserole. Nom, nom, nom. That's good. Oh yeah, that's ready. So it's ready, Freddy. Ready, Freddy. So I'm just gonna put some of this on a plate and we're gonna taste test it. Nice and crispy on the top because of the panko and the tortilla nacho chips. It's not really creamy, but that's fine. The egg kind of cooked it in there. Look at that. Look at that. Looks good. Let's try it. Taste test time. So it's just me. Jay doesn't want to be on camera. So here's the tortellini broccoli casserole. Let's try tortellini. And the broccoli. That's going to be hot. Some steam. I like how the egg is incorporated in there. And the mayonnaise just makes it creamy. Let's try a topping. So there's a topping here. The panko and the nacho chips. And nutritional yeast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna go sit down and eat that because that is delicious. So guys, those were my pantry meals today. Nice and simple, nice and easy, and I got rid of some stuff in my pantry. Some stuff in the fridge, some stuff in the freezer. Ta-da! So come back tomorrow because tomorrow's another day. And I'll be sure to have some more meals for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment below. If you have any ideas with what I could make with what I have left in my pantry, drop me a line. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.